Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. I was thinking about showing this video or a video like this for quite some time now, and then, do I want to make it? Do I not want to make it? People say, yeah, no, make it. Alright, so this video is to show how heavily traveled some of these logging roads are where we have our cameras. On these roads, we've seen bear, bobcat, cougar, deer, elk, coyotes, raccoons, possums, and a variety of other things we didn't even know what they were. We see people, walkers, hikers, joggers, hunters, and there are a lot of vehicles on these roads. Number one, it speaks to how well used these roads are for both people and animals, but also how close to civilization we are when we're showing the wide variety of animals here, not very far off the highway. Alright, so enjoy the video. Okay, so what do you think? I have hours of footage of vehicles driving on these roads and motorcycles and dirt bikes and, yeah. Anyways, would you have ever thunk it that right when we're seeing bear walk down the road or a bobcat walk down the road, there's also trucks driving down the same roads? Yeah, if nothing else, it shows that if you put a road up in the woods, it's not just for cars and trucks, the animals love it too. Alright, so leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.